VIP family, so I am back with part 2 of the do-it-yourself tune-up on your Lexus LS430. I believe that's would also go for a GS430, being that they have the same motors. Also the SC430. So pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and move to the engine oil, how to drain and fill that back up. Also how to change the will it be the filter, the oil filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Step one is pretty much gonna be taking off the engine drain bolt. So tools you'll need for today's video, this is it: ratchet, 14mm socket. Might need a screwdriver if you do have the bottom panel to take the screws off, but if you don't, ratchet, 14mm socket, and pretty much a hand. Take off your oil filter. So the oil I'll be using is going to be your Castrol 5W30 full synthetic. 530 is pretty much recommended for the car, no matter whether it's high mileage or low miles. Pretty much be 5W30 full synthetic. And I end up finding my Mobil 1 oil filter. I got this back a few months ago for free. Pretty much I returned in some oil at AutoZone, and I was able to get the highest quality filter, so I ended up picking up this one, and now I'm pretty much putting it to use. So yeah, shout out to AutoZone for the free oil filter. Okay, so for those of you that have the covers, you have to take the covers off to access your engine drain bolt. For those of you that don't have the cover, your bolt is right here, and it's gonna be a 14mm socket. So we're gonna go ahead and is it a 14? All right, so go ahead and loosen this nut. Make sure you have your drain plug near you, or your pan, and you see it's blacker than Michael Blackson. So yeah, it definitely needed to be changed. I don't drive the car as much as I would like to, so I mean this oil change is coming after about, say, about 6, almost 7 months. So I mean that's good. If you do daily drive it, you might have to change it a little bit sooner than that. I would say probably like every 5,000 miles. But yeah, that's pretty much how you would drain the oil. Once that drains out, we'll move our way up to the oil filter, which is going to be right here. So once we drain the oil, we take the oil filter off and let that drain out. That's going to drain some more oil. You would fill up the oil filter and fill it up with some oil, and then from there screw that back on, screw your drain bolt back on, and then you would pretty much just fill up the car with oil. That's still draining. Some people, they let it fully drain for some hours or for some minutes. Me, I mean, it's down to where I would say it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much put that bolt back in there and drain the oil filter. Alright, sorry for the poor lighting, guys. It's starting to get a little bit dark. I'm trying my best to wrap up the video for you guys. So your engine oil filter, you're gonna go ahead and twist that off. There it goes. Ooh. So that's releasing some oil. So you go ahead and take that off. And you have your oil coming out. And like I say, you'll pretty much grab your other oil filter, fill that up. Not that much, just halfway. Make sure you grease the ring around the oil filter, so that way next time it's a little bit easier to come off. And screw that on. Pretty much already put the oil drain plug back on, and then just fill it up with oil. Turn the car on, and you'll be good to go. Like I said, if you guys have any suggestions of what you guys would like to see, video wise or whatever, just comment down below and let me know, and I'll make sure I could try to get to that. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram if you guys don't, at VIP LS430. Make sure you hit that notification bell to keep updated on all the newest videos. And you guys have a good one. Stay safe.